Today is making Korean food kimbap. Kimbap is a food that Koreans love. First, put the rice in a cauldron and set the water a little higher than the rice. Cook over strong heat for 10 minutes and low heat for 20 minutes. When the rice is done, turn the rice over with a spatula. Mix sesame oil and half a tablespoon of sesame salt with rice. Prepare enough eggs to eat, put in a bowl and mix. Place mixed eggs in a frying pan covered with cooking oil and fry. Put the canned tuna and mayonnaise in a bowl and mix. Lightly fry the ham in a frying pan with oil. Slice half a carrot and fry enough in a frying pan covered with oil. Cut the crab meat into slices. Pickle the cucumbers, cut long and wash them with water once. Pickle the cucumbers, cut long and wash them with water once. For kimbap, you can add spicy pepper, sesame leaves, and cheese according to your personal taste. It was missed during the cooking process. It is more delicious if you stir-fry burdock in soy sauce. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.